is my breakfast. My duty today is 12 o'clock. Yo, we are going to work now. I left the house 1:10 already. Yes, we still have more than 45 minutes. And so we're going to have some pictures along the way. Okay, we are now here. And it's actually windy in here. I didn't notice that when I was up in the hill. Yeah. And it's cold. And this is how it is. Yeah, the water is not very yeah, just like that. It's just okay compared to some days that is very wavy and noisy. And the time now is 11:32. Still have time. Oh, the Nelson Bay Ferry, it's there. Yeah, I'm sure you don't see it using this camera, a GoPro Hero 9. And we're going to take a video of that using this Samsung Galaxy S21. Yeah, that's the ferry. Amazing, right? Oh, that couple, the guy is Mr. Scott. Yeah, that guy is Mr. Scott. He introduced himself. Yeah, because so basically he noticed the bike, and then he asked me if the bus is if this bike is fast. Yeah, I said 25 kilometers per hour, just the standard. Yeah, and then yeah, he introduced himself, and he asked for my name, and then he said, "Are you on holiday?" "Oh, no, I'm working here," I said, and then I said, "See you." Oh. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm actually preparing my meal. It's almost burned already. Yeah, there's just yeah, onion and oil. The time now is 9:35. Yeah, this I'm just going to put water. Tomato sauce. Yeah, I also put water, and this is how it is now. I'll be just waiting for that to boil, and yeah, I'm going to put this tuna slice. Oh no! Again, it's going to be a noodles again. I'm going to put this. Yeah, just one. This is going to be my dinner for tonight. Actually, I'm going to put this last onion. One of my favorite soup is onion soup. We have before in French Breaker, and I tasted it in other restaurant. Yeah, this is the tuna in can. This is actually made as a for sandwich. You can see. No taste. I mean, need some seasoning. A little salt. And I also put the fish sauce. Yeah, I don't know if this one is still good. This is a cabbage, but long time already from inside. Yeah, I think it's still good. I'm just going to scrape this black part. It's good. Wash it again. Delicious, sour, but no color. Should be some with some greens. Yeah, I'm going to put some of this frozen vegetable, and this is ready. And I'm going to eat it with rice. And this is what I don't like when I am cooking. Too nice, go. Okay, we are going to work now, and they actually have this. Yeah, this is the persimmon, orange, lemon, and calamansi. Yeah, I still have some inside. The salvation. Yo, the wind is uncomfortable to the skin. I mean the air. It's cold. Already 11:30 when I left the house, and so I don't have much time this time to be relaxed driving around. Oh, there is a couple with their bike. Oh, nice. Oh, it's electric bike. They changed the direction. Still wet in here. Maybe that's their first time to get through that. Okay, we are now in my workplace. I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Oh, there are some people in there doing some kind of pictorial. Where do I go now? They are trying to go, but I said, oh, it's okay, I'll go this way. Yeah, so today I finished at already 2:26 when I sign out. It's alright. Yeah, it is very windy this time. Actually, if you check the Google weather, there is kind of a warning. Yeah, very cold also. And I am now day off. 2 days today. I mean this time, start this time, and in the coming 2 days. Oh, we're going to have a coffee here. A little time, things over. Yeah, coffee here in Australia are still affordable. Look at the prices. Yeah, small is $2.70, medium is $4.20, and large is $5. If I am not mistaken, in the Philippines more than 100 already. Yeah, in a Starbucks and in the commercial coffee shop, but in the ordinary neighborhood shop, it's still cheap. I want it that way. Yeah, I don't know. I bought a cup coffee because I still wanted to stay outside. Yeah, but very cold, very uncomfortable. I have one more extra sweater on my backpack, but I don't know if I can stand with the cold. I noticed again that one. Yeah, like what I said, there is a new way going to the beach, going to the water. Yeah, it's very cold. We're going to stop here, and I'm going to wear the extra jacket, extra sweater that I have. Sweater or jacket? Which one? I'm actually wearing already a t-shirt inside, and then this long sleeve. Together again, everywhere I go, every smile I see, that you say. Yeah, I will give you my heart, yours and me. Show you your everything is special to me. Yeah, actually I can't stand with that cold. Yeah, that's why yeah, we are going home now. Feeling so hard to find, I never gonna dance again. Guilty feet, I can't no rhythm. Yeah, it is already 3:30, and the temperature is actually that one. So in here is 11 degrees. Yeah, that is cold because the good temperature is around 24, 25, 30. That's yeah, good temperature. And more than 30 is already a little hot. In Dubai, usually the temperature is just like that, around 30, 35, 34. Yeah, here in Australia, temperature usually is 24 to 30, and when it becomes 40, it's very hot already. Yeah, yeah, cold is not good. Yeah, when it is cold, it's not good. Oh, these are the some of my leftover. Some of the orange, some of the lemon, I gave it to, yeah, to Divina, Sumudu, Rafael, and Inigo. I'm going to eat this. I'll just reheat it. I put some rice, a little more, and I'll just reheat it here. 3 minutes.